tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you keep giving and I keep on getting you know. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby girl, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to be starting out by drawing the outline of where I'm going to be having my face paint and have my makeup. Now I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Coverall primer. I have oily skin, so I'm going to set my face using my Mercier translucent setting powder. Now I'm going to be spoiling out my brows with my spoily brush. Now I'm going to be taking my Ben Nye cream color brow cream in the shade dark, and I'm going to be filling this in. This is my contour cream, but I'm going to use it for my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I mixed it in with my foundation to give it a right color. I'm just going to be using this to carve out my brows and make them look crisp, clean, and precise.
You always been by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. 'Cause I won't ever want much more. And in my heart, I will always be sure that I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
Now I'm taking the same concealer and I'm going to conceal my lids so that my eyeshadow can stick and so that the color can show better. Now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm taking this blue shade, and I'm going to take a tapered brush, and I am going to put that in my crease. Yes! Then I'm going to take another light blue shade, and I'm going to put that right above that crease color to blend out the blue, to blend out the you know, the crease color blue. Yeah. Now I'm taking the lightest blue shade in this palette, and I'm going to put that right over the second color that I applied. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, and I'm going to take the pink salmon shade, and I'm going to be putting it at the very top of those shadow colors, like right underneath the brow bone but not in the brow bone. Now I'm just going back in with those other colors to put the color back, because it washed away when I was adding the other colors, if that makes sense. Just go back and add the color where it needs to be added to make the look appear how you want it to be in the first place. Y'all know what I mean. Now I'm going to take my Style Essentials concealer palette, and I'm taking the concealer color next to the lightest, and I'm going to cut my crease.
I still can't believe you had me on a leash, cutting all my teeth with all the lies you bring. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go.
Now I'm gonna be taking my favorite palette, the Toofaced Chocolate Bar Gold palette, and I'm gonna take in the shade Dippin' Diamonds, the silver shade, and I'm gonna be putting it on my lid. And I wet my brush to do this because it applies so much better. So now I'm about to use my AOA liquid liner, and I'm gonna use the tape method here. I'm gonna be creating my wing, you guys, with the tape method. Basically, it's just a guide just to make your wing precise and sharp. So now I'm taking my Muse eyeliner. No, my Muse mascara. What the heck? My Amuse mascara. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Taking my Muse mascara, I'm going to be just putting it on my eyelashes. I don't really wear eyelashes. Well, I don't ever wear eyelashes. Now I'm taking my Clean color mermaid highlighter, and I'm going to be putting it right underneath my brow bone to give it some glow.
Is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live.
So now I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation. I'm gonna be putting the foundation all over my face, and it's in the shade Ebony.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe.
Now I'm going back in with my black eyeliner, and I'm going to be redrawing the half paint and half makeup face. Thank you.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
Okay, I almost forgot that I had to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey.
Enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm going to sit in all the areas that I highlighted with the concealer. Now I'm taking my black radiance pressed powder, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my face, my forehead, and my cheeks. Well, my, contour lines. Now I'm just taking my LA Colors eyeliner and putting that in my waterline.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror.
Now I'm just putting some of that mermaid color highlighter in my inner corner of my eyes to make my eyes pop.
Of a world where your absence all I get to see.
Now I'm taking a pink rosy blush and putting it on the apples of my cheeks.
Planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you and I.
Now for the best part ever, it's time to glow, honey. So I'm taking my mermaid pink color highlighter again and I'm putting this on my high points of my cheeks. And look at that glow. Yes.
Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete.
Now let's set all this makeup with some setting spray. Okay, yay, time for a face paint. So I'm going to take my NYX SFX cream color paint, face paint, and it's color blue, obviously. Now I'm going to be just putting this beneath the outline issue and just paint my whole chin area and neck area with this blue paint.
But it won't be long before I realize it's a picture in my head, And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet.
Now I'm going to be taking this white face paint and I'm going to be putting it in areas where I apply the blue, but not all over the face. I'm just going to be putting it in some areas to make a lighter shade of blue.
I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.
So now I'm going to take this pinkish purple shade and do the exact same thing.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.
Okay, now I'm taking a silver shade just to give it like a more galaxy look.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because
Now I'm just covering all the paint up with this highlighter just to give it a real galaxy glow, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going to be putting on this AOA matte lipstick. I forgot the name. I'll link the names and everything I didn't mention down in the description box below. Okay guys, that was it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see next. Bye.